Traffic rules test. Task: who will pass the intersection third in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the red car. 2. The driver of the yellow car. 3. The driver of the blue car. 4. The driver of the red tram. 5. The cyclist. 6. The driver of the yellow tram. Task analysis. At the intersection, the yellow and blue cars turn left, while the red car, both trams, and the cyclist go straight. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights, but there are priority signs, main road, and main road direction. The yellow tram, yellow car, and cyclist are on the main road. They all have priority over other vehicles on the secondary road. The driver of the red car will be the last to pass through the intersection. First, he will let the red tram pass. Let's read the traffic rules. At any unregulated intersection, a tram, regardless of its direction of travel, has priority over non-rail vehicles approaching it on an equivalent road. Then the driver must give way to the blue car because it is approaching the red car from the right. Let's continue reading the traffic rule. At an intersection of equivalent roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right. Vehicles on the main road will also follow these rules. First, the driver of the yellow car and the cyclist will let the yellow tram pass. Then the yellow car will pass, and the cyclist will be the third to leave the intersection. The correct answer is number 5, cyclist.
Oh yeah!